Okay, so you have a business idea. You might be wondering, should I go startup or should I open a small business? And what's the difference anyway? A small business owner tends to follow a more traditional path. Maybe you just start with a team of one, and then you slowly bring on more people. You might ask your family and friends to invest in your idea. Small business owners have a variety of goals. Money matters, of course, but maybe it's not your main purpose. Typically, you plan to stay with the company long term. If, on the other hand, you want to come up with something revolutionary and cash in on your idea, you're probably going the startup route. Most startups aim to change the world using some form of technology. They need a bigger team, and they grow very quickly. At first, you might also get help from family and friends, but at some point, you'll turn to big-time investors. Besides innovation, making money is the #1 goal of a startup. Keep in mind that both models can lead to growth and success. So what do you think? Small business or startup?
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.